Have you ever tried to sit down and focus, only to find yourself 5 minutes later watching cat videos and wondering how you got there? Hey, no judgment here. I'm halfway through a playlist. Turns out your brain isn't broken. It's just a bit misunderstood. So, what's the secret to actually staying focused? Your brain loves dopamine, the little happiness chemical you get from short-term rewards. Problem is, your brain prefers instant dopamine hits from TikTok or Instagram over the delayed gratification of finishing your assignment.
Precisely. Dopamine is my jam.
But here's where it gets interesting. There's a way to trick your brain into actually enjoying focus. Imagine dopamine like candy. If you constantly snack on candy, broccoli seems boring. Ugh, broccoli? Really? But what if you stop eating candy for a bit? Suddenly, broccoli starts looking appealing. That's basically a dopamine detox, removing distractions to make focusing rewarding again.
Wait, broccoli could taste good? This changes everything.
Now I know what you're thinking. That sounds miserable.
Oh, thank goodness you said it.
But what if I told you there's a shortcut? Meet your new best friend, the Pomodoro technique. It's simple. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat.
I love breaks.
Fine, I guess 25 minutes isn't that bad. Why does it work? Because it gives your brain regular rewards without overloading on distractions. Ever tried dieting while surrounded by cake?
Who put this cake here?
Exactly. Your environment can sabotage or supercharge your focus. Clear your workspace of distractions, use apps that block distracting websites, and suddenly your focus skyrockets. So next time you find yourself spiraling into a YouTube rabbit hole, remember, your brain just wants dopamine. Give it what it wants, in moderation.
Moderation. Got it.
Clean up your workspace, use Pomodoro, and maybe even give dopamine detoxing a try. Now, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps us keep creating content. Yeah, and don't forget to click that bell. And if you want to support the channel even more, consider joining us on Patreon. You'll get future exclusive content like character designs and concepts, future downloadable content, and 24-hour early release of videos.
We'd love to have you join the family.
Thanks for watching, and see you next time.